Welcome back to JLMT Auto. Today we're going to be taking the 206 GTI 180 for its maiden voyage. This is all modifications on, car's fixed. Sorry the video's taken a bit longer than expected to get out. Been on holiday. We also found an unexpected coolant leak along the back of the engine, so that was a bit of a pain to get to, but we've taken it out, put some new O-rings on. All good, no leaks now. Engine mount is now fitted. Gear shifts are so much better than they were. The old mount had effectively deteriorated and caused the engine to go backwards and forwards during harsh shifts, or to be fair, during normal shifts. What that has meant is there a bit more vibration in the cab, especially on pull away, but other than that, it's really improved the drive of the car. Unfortunately, I've really struggled to find a track that's going to allow me to video and put on YouTube, and also in terms of time and budget, I've just overstretched on this vehicle. I've really enjoyed it though. Enjoy a bit of a montage of going around some country roads. So that's it, the Peugeot 206 GTI 180 is completed, and actually it's going to its new owner, hopefully, on Saturday, if they're happy with it. I've really enjoyed building it, I've really enjoyed buying it and working on it, apart from a few things. Of course, normal mechanic bugbears, such as bushes not coming out and rusted bolts, things like that. Absolute standard of working on a project car. But even throughout that, getting back behind the wheel and getting to see what the next upgrade has done, it's been so much fun. And for £2,000, you can't get much better. Obviously, it's cost me a little bit more. I've had to buy a few tools, which you'd normally have. I've had to insure and tax the car and things like that. So I've really enjoyed building the £2,000 track car, and it proves that you can buy and build a track car for £2,000. I'm obviously not taking my time into account. I've spent many hours on the car, on ramps, underneath, and research as well. But because it's something I really enjoy doing, I've not minded. If you were to take this to a garage to do, I'm sure they would charge at least £1,000 in labour to bolt everything that we've bolted to the car. If you've enjoyed the series, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Really helps with building the channel and letting me do something that I really enjoy doing. Next things for the channel, we'll be looking back at our Audi S5, a few of the modifications on that, and some scientific bits to sort of gauge maybe some exhaust volume and things like that. And we're also going to be looking at doing a few bits in the garage to make your lives easier, but on a budget. Catch you next time, and thank you so much for watching.
Come back better than last year, it's a new me, never gonna look back.